To fix the error, uninstall GeForce now. To uninstall GeForce now, you can open Finder, then go to Application, find NVIDIA GeForce now, make a right click, and then click on Move to Bin. If it is open, you can make sure that it is closed. Move to bin. Now once it is moved to bin, if you want to empty the bin, you can empty the bin. Now once you empty it, now go to these locations. So for this, you can go to click on go over here and then go to folder. So it's library cache over here. You can select this one and find NVIDIA. If you find NVIDIA, you can select NVIDIA over here, and then you can delete like NVIDIA and NVIDIA GeForce now. You can just make a right click and then delete it. Move to bin. If you find this NVIDIA com.nvidia.nv container or library https storage com.nvidia gnfc.mall, you can delete it. Also application support NVIDIA, if you find it. So again go to now. If you find application support NVIDIA, and then you can make a right click and then move to bin. Now once this is done, restart Mac, and after the restart, you can download the NVIDIA GeForce once again. Download for Mac, and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can run this DMG file. Click on it, and then you can drag this NVIDIA GeForce now to application folder. Now once you drag it, you can go to application and then find GeForce now over here. NVIDIA GeForce now, here you can see it. Make a double click. Click on open, allow, agree and continue. That should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.